to come to the United States, I had to make a trip on the sea, under the water, and in the air. And I started that long, perilous trip with Captain Buckley of New York, who defied several Japanese destroyers and took me through those waters safely to Mindanao. The Filipinos have fought heroically side by side with the American soldier against overwhelming odds. And today, after Bataan and Corridor have surrendered, they are still fighting and will continue to fight until complete victory shall have been achieved